Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 30th, and this is my recap of the popular pairs. So we're going to take a look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my more full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. If you'd like to join my 100% free trading community on Discord, make sure you check out the link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And if you would like to join my membership, you can do so at fxpipcollector.com and you get access to all the benefits listed down here below. So anyways, on gold, actually out of all the dollar pairs, gold is really the only one that had a lot of volatility today. It actually went up and broke the previous highs. This morning I had my Fibonacci retracement on here and we were watching this go up and I said if you don't get a fib bounce, if you don't get like a big engulfing move to the downside, then don't go short. You never got that fib bounce, it just kept on pushing. Now I had my 100% Fibonacci extension someplace in this area right here. Now that it blew past that area, I would kind of expect it to go up at least to the next Fibonacci extension level, which is right around the 2810 area. So at this point, I'm not really thinking that this is a wave B anymore. It looks more like a 1, 2, 3. So even if it does pull back, I think we're probably going to get a little bit more upside, probably get us a little closer to that 2810 area. Probably still a good chance it's a wave C on the much higher time frames. It's just going to probably turn into an expanding wave C. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.